The patient, John, is sitting in the waiting room. The doctor, Dr. Smith, enters.
Dr. Smith. Hello? You must be John. How are you feeling today?
John. Hi, doctor. I don't feel so well.
I'm sorry to hear that. Please come with me to my office. So, what seems to be the problem?
I have a bad headache and feel very dizzy.
I see. Did the headache start suddenly, or did it come on gradually?
It started gradually, but it got worse yesterday.
I understand. Have you experienced any other symptoms, like a fever or a cough?
No, just the headache and dizziness.
Have you felt any nausea or vomiting?
A little bit, but I haven't actually vomited.
Are you taking any medication right now?
No, I'm not taking anything at the moment.
Have you had headaches like this before?
Yes, but not as bad as this one.
Okay. Do you have any allergies to medication?
No, I don't have any allergies.
All right, let me check your temperature and blood pressure.
Dr. Smith checks John's temperature and blood pressure.
Your temperature is normal, but your blood pressure is a bit low. Have you been eating regularly?
Not really. I've been skipping meals because of work.
That might be contributing to the dizziness. It's important to eat properly.
I'll try to eat better.
Do you drink enough water during the day?
I don't think so. Maybe just a glass or two.
You should drink more water. Dehydration can cause headaches and dizziness.
I understand. I'll start drinking more water.
Good. Do you get enough sleep?
Not really. I sleep for about 4 or 5 hours a night.
That's not enough. Try to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night.
I'll try, doctor. I've been very busy lately.
I know it's hard, but your health is important. Rest is necessary.
You're right. I'll make it a priority.
I'll give you some medicine for the headache. It should help you feel better.
Thank you, doctor. How often should I take it?
Take 1 tablet every 6 hours, but not more than 4 tablets in a day.
Got it. Should I avoid anything while taking this medicine?
Yes, avoid alcohol and drink plenty of water.
I will. Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. If your symptoms don't improve in 2 days, please come back.
Okay, I'll do that. Thank you so much for your help.
Take care, John. I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you, doctor. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.